What's good everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here it is MintKrypt. First time coming across this channel, make sure you subscribe, turn on the post notification icon so you won't be missing any update I'll be dropping on this channel. So guys, in today's video, this is a completely different video. I'll be taking you through on how to create a virtual card in 2025. So let's say you're trying to make payment online and you don't know the card to use. You're trying to use your bank card, you're trying to use any of your card, but it's not working. So I'll be taking you through on how to create a virtual card, a working virtual card in 2025 using a website. So with this card, you can make purchases in dollars, you can make online payments on Amazon, you can make payments on Namecheap or any platform you want to make payments on. The name of this platform is GetPay. I know most of us has been hearing GetPay or you've been seeing GetPay online. So GetPay is a global banking for African professionals. So you can use it to make payments, you can use it to receive payments, and you can also create a virtual card on GetPay. I'll be taking you through step by step on how to do that. The first step is to create an account. Just click on the create button. Then you'll be asked how will you like to choose GetPay. So if you're a freelancer, just select you're a freelancer. Already selected that, then you have to enter your country. Mine is Nigeria. Then I just click on this continue button. So I'm creating the account as a freelancer. I need to enter my email address and also my referral code. So I'm dropping a link to register in this video description. So just go to create an account. I'm also signing in right now. I just have to enter my registered email address, my password, then I'll click on the sign in button. So you see welcome. So my dashboard, you're seeing the dashboard, invoices, we are seeing card, wallet, transaction, and lots on this platform. We are currently on your dashboard. You can create invoice here, you can request payment, you can convert funds, you can send money. So you'll be seeing the exchanges rate here too. So there's a lot you can do on this platform. I'll just go over to the setting right now, because after creating an account, the next thing you have to do is you have to go to verify your account. So just click on the verification. Then you'll be seeing all the verification you have to do: the email verification, password verification, the phone number verification. Then you also need to do your personal profile verification. You see job details, you can go ahead to do that. You also be seeing this identity verification. So for the identity verification, you can use any of your verification method to verify that. So you can use your BVN, you can use your national identity card, you can use your voter's card, your passport, or any of your documents to perform the identity verification. So for the job details, you can go ahead to do that later because it's not necessary. So once your account has been verified, just go back to the dashboard. Once your account has been verified, the next thing you have to do is you have to come over to the wallet section. You just click on the engine section there. When you're creating a virtual card, you're going to be charged a particular amount as charges fee. So we need to fund our NGN account. For me to fund my NGN, I need to request a funding account, an NGN funding account. Then I'll just click on this setup. So it has been set up successfully. So I'll be seeing the details of my account here. So you see the account number, the name, the bank name. I just have to go ahead to make the payments into this particular account. So I'm going to be funding $10 into my GetPay account. The reason why I'm funding my NGN account is because I'm going to be charged $3 for purchasing the card, and also I want to fund the virtual card. So that is the reason why I made a recharge of 16,000 naira into my GetPay account. Okay, after the payment has been completed, just go over to the card section, then click on this create new card. So I'm going to be selecting a virtual card. Then I'll be asked to import my nickname. After that, I just have to click on the continue button. Okay, so I'll just go to select the payment source. I'm using my NGN as the payment source. Then how much did I want to fund? I'm going to be funding $7 because I made a recharge of $10, and you see the custom fee, the creation fee is $3. That's about 4,800 naira. So I just have to enter the amount in dollars I want to fund. Then I just click on this create card. Guys, I just successfully created my virtual card right now. So you are seeing you are all set. You see my name, and also I can just click on this view card details to check all my card details. All the details I'll be needing to make purchases online is in the view card details, like my card number, also the CVV. I'm going to be seeing everyone in the view card details. I'm on the card page. You'll be seeing my balance. I'm having a balance of $7 right now, so I can start using this card to make online payment. So guys, I'm ready to go through and also create a virtual card in 2025. I know this video was helpful. Make sure you like, share, and also subscribe to this channel so you won't be missing any updates like this. Bye guys.